मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी कि वह इतनी जल्दी लौट आएगा। I did not expect him to return so soon. I did not expect him to return so soon. काश मैंने उसकी सलाह पहले मान ली होती। I wish I had followed his advice earlier. I wish I had followed his advice earlier. वह चाहे जितनी कोशिश करे उसे सफलता नहीं मिलती। No matter how hard he tries, he doesn't succeed. No matter how hard he tries, he doesn't succeed. मुझे नहीं पता कि वह ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है। I don't know why he is doing this. I don't know why he is doing this. तुम्हें यह मौका बिल्कुल नहीं गंवाना चाहिए। You should not miss the opportunity at all. You should not miss this opportunity at all. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो चुप रहता। If I were you, I would stay silent. If I were you, I would stay silent. उसने बिना कुछ कहे वहाँ से जाने का फैसला लिया। He decided to leave without saying anything. He decided to leave without saying anything. मैंने उसे समझाने की पूरी कोशिश की। I tried my best to convince him. I tried my best to convince him. वह अपनी गलती स्वीकार करने से बच रहा है। He is avoiding admitting his mistake. He is avoiding admitting his mistake. मुझे यकीन है कि तुम इसे संभाल सकते हो। I'm sure you can handle it. I'm sure you can handle it. जब तक तुम मेहनत करोगे तुम आगे बढ़ते रहोगे। As long as you work hard, you will keep progressing. As long as you work hard, you will keep progressing. उसने मुझे ऐसा महसूस कराया जैसे मैं गलत था। He made me feel as if I was wrong. He made me feel as if I was wrong. मैंने सोचा था कि तुम मेरा साथ दोगे। I thought you would support me. I thought you would support me. वह जितना दिखता है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा समझदार है। He is far more intelligent than the appears. He is far more intelligent than he appears. मुझे इस बात की चिंता है कि कहीं वह देर न कर दे। I am worried that he might be late. I am worried that he might be late. तुम्हें दूसरों की राय की परवाह नहीं करनी चाहिए। You should not care about other opinion. You should not care about other opinion. उसने मुझे सच बताने के बजाय झूठ बोलना चुना। He chose to lie instead of telling me the truth. He chose to lie instead of telling me the truth. मैं इस बात से इनकार नहीं कर सकता कि तुम सही हो। I can deny that you are right. I can deny that you are right. जैसे ही बारिश रुकेगी हम निकल जाएंगे। As soon as the rain stops, we will leave. As soon as the rain stops, we will leave. मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि वह मुझसे क्यों नाराज है। I don't understand why he is upset with me. I don't understand why he is upset with me. अगर तुमने मुझे बताया होता तो मैं मदद कर देता. If you had told me, I would have helped. If you had told me, I would have helped. वह अपने वादे पर कायम रहने के लिए जाना चाहता है. He is known for keeping his promise. He is known for keeping his promise. उसने परिस्थिति को बहुत समझदारी से संभाला. She handled the situation very wisely. She handled the situation very wisely. तुम जितनी जल्दी करोगे उतना बेहतर होगा. The sooner you start, the better it will be. The sooner you start, the better it will be. मुझे आदत डालने में थोड़ा समय लगा. It took me some time to get used to it. It took me some time to get used to it. वह हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करने को तैयार रहता है. He is always willing to help others. He is always willing to help others. मैंने उसे कई बार चेतावनी दी थी. I had warned him several times. I had warned him several times. तुम्हें अपनी गलतियों से सीखना चाहिए. You should learn from your mistake. You should learn from your mistake. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वह सच बोल रहा है. I don't think he is telling the truth. I don't think he is telling the truth. उसने मुश्किल समय में मेरा हौसला बढ़ाया. She encouraged me during a difficult time. She encouraged me during a difficult time. मैं इस समस्या का समाधान खोजने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I am trying to find a solution to this problem. I am trying to find a solution to this problem. वह बिना किसी कारण के मुझ पर दोष लगा रहा है. He is blaming me for no reason. He is blaming me for no reason. मुझे उम्मीद है कि सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. I hope everything will turn out fine. I hope everything will turn out fine. तुम्हें फैसला लेने से पहले सोचना चाहिए. You should think before making a decision. You should think before making a decision. उसने भावनाओं को छुपाने की कोशिश की. She tried to hide her emotions. She tried to hide her emotions. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि ऐसा होगा. I never thought this would happen. I never thought this would happen. मुझे तुम्हारी बात समझने में थोड़ा समय लगा. It took me some time to understand you. It took me some time to understand you. वह जितना कम बोलता है उतना ही ज़्यादा समझता है. He speaks, the more he understands. He less the speaks, the more he understands. मैं इस मामले में कोई जोखिम नहीं लेना चाहता. I don't want to take any risk in this matter. I don't want to take any risk in this matter. उसने अपनी सफलता का श्रेय अपनी टीम को दिया. He credited his team for his success. He credited his team for his success. मुझे नहीं पता कि आगे क्या होने वाला है. I don't know what is going to happen next. I don't know what is going to happen next. तुम्हें अपने लक्ष्य पर ध्यान केंद्रित करना चाहिए. You should focus on your goal. You should focus on your goal. मैं तुम्हारी स्थिति को पूरी तरह समझ सकता हूँ. I can completely understand your situation. I can completely understand your situation. उसने मेरी मदद करने से साफ इनकार कर दिया. He flatly refused to help me. He flatly refused to help me. तुम चाहे कुछ भी कहो, मैं अपना फैसला नहीं बदलूंगा. No matter what you say, I won't change my decision. No matter what you say, I won't change my decision. हमें समय बर्बाद करने के बजाय काम शुरू करना चाहिए. We should start working instead of wasting time. You should start working instead of wasting time. उसने मुझे भरोसा दिलाया कि सब ठीक होगा. He assured me that everything would be fine. He assured me that everything would be fine. मैं इस अवसर का अधिकतम लाभ उठाना चाहता हूँ. I want to make the most of this opportunity. I want to make the most of this opportunity. वह अपनी जिम्मेदारियों से भागने की कोशिश कर रहा है. He is trying to run away from these responsibilities. He is trying to run away from these responsibilities. मुझे इस बात का अफसोस है कि मैंने तुम्हारी बात नहीं मानी. I regret not listening to you. I regret not listening to you. अगर तुम लगातार अभ्यास करोगे तो सुधार जरूर होगा. If you practice consistently, you will definitely improve. If you practice consistently, you will definitely improve you. उसने बिना सोचे समझे फैसला ले लिया. He made the decision without thinking it through. He made the decision without thinking it through. मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम मुझ पर भरोसा करो. I want you to trust me. I want you to trust me. वह अपनी कमियों को स्वीकार करने से नहीं डरता. He is not afraid to admit his weakness. He is not afraid to admit his weakness. मुझे लगता है कि हमें अपनी रणनीति बदलनी चाहिए. I think we should change our strategy. I think we should change our strategy. तुम्हारे आने से पहले मैं काम खत्म कर चुका था. I had finished the work before you arrived. I had finished the work before you arrived. वह इस समस्या को जितना आसान समझ रहा है यह उतनी आसान नहीं है। दिस प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट एज ईजी एज ही थिंक्स। दिस प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट एज ईजी एज ही थिंक्स। दोस्तों, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए ताकि रोज़ाना का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे, और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना मत भूलिए। मिलते हैं ऐसे ही नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। थैंक यू।